Hey, welcome back. I've been asked to do a quick tip video on how to make or create a rule in your Outlook inbox so that incoming emails are automatically sorted into folders to help you stay organized. So here we go. So within Outlook, and this is the desktop version of Outlook, Office 365, if I want to take an email from anybody, I can right click on that email and go down to rules and create a rule. Or at any point in time, I can go at the top bar, home, rules, create a rule. So when I go to create a rule, whatever you have selected will say, kind of be the judge of where it's going from. So I'm going to say anything that comes from me. And then you also have some additional filters that you want to add in here. You can have the following set up for it to display. Do you want a sound effect when an email goes there? Now you can check or uncheck these, up to you. Generally I just make mine so they move them to folders. So you can select move the item to a folder and then select the folder. Now if you have folders created in your inbox, you can just pick the folder that you want that to go to. Or if you want to create a new folder, click on inbox, select new, name your new folder, what it's going to contain, where you want it to go, hit OK, and now that's going to create that folder for you. And if you look over here to the left, it's already created that folder. Then I hit OK, and when I click OK again, it will start to run that rule. Now there are some advanced options, but you really don't need to monkey with those options right now. Hit OK. Now it's going to process that rule. And you can also check run this rule for messages that are already in their folder. So if you've already gotten several messages from an individual and you're creating a rule after the fact, click this and it'll go find all of those past ones and move them into that folder for you. And then just click OK. It's running the rule. Now you notice that it disappeared out of my inbox, and now I have a notification next to the new folder that I created. And that's how you create a rule in Outlook desktop. If we switch over to Office 365 and we're online, the same concepts apply. Only this time, to find that create a rule function, again we're going to go to, at the top bar here, we're going to go to the three dots, create rule. Now I suggest going to more options here because this brings up the flexibility of having all the settings for you. This is where you would name that new rule, which already exists. So, and then here's where you can change the condition. So when I get that from, now there's tons of conditions that you can apply for. Again, I generally use it just taking it from them and putting it somewhere. Who do we want that sender to be? So I find my Gmail account and use that. And then what do we want to happen when that takes place? We're going to take that and we're going to move it into this folder that we want it to go to. So again, you can type the name of the folder because I've already created it. That's where we want it to go. And then run the rule now. That again is that same feature as the other one where we can pull everything in at once, even though we've already done it. Hit save. That's it. That's how you create the rules in either of the locations. That's how you make quick rules to help you sort your email in Outlook.